Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Nerd Chic. It is time for another box opening. We love box openings. I love box openings because it means I got another product I get to open up and show you and test out and all that kind of stuff. And so this is the Fire HD8 32 gigs. It's the brand new version, 2020, just came out here in May. We try to get those new ones to show you guys. I love how the box is a little bit different from the past versions. It's rectangular versus triangular. So there's more stuff going on here. Let's see if there's anything in there. No, nothing in there. So let's just pull things out one by one. Oh, there it comes. How it always comes, yay. Okay, well that's that. There's nothing else in this box except for that. But inside of here, now we've got all of this. So I'm gonna pull this out right here, and there's the tablet itself. This is the 8, so I love it. I'm excited because it's a lot smaller than the kids' 10-inch HDs, but it is an HD, and it is the new version. It's got the sideways shape, so it's sideways, it's shaped like that, and then of course the camera's on the top, and your camera is on the side here, so it's a bit different. The way it works is landscape versus portrait, right? And then over here out of this box, we've got all of these things right here. Let me pull them out real quickly and show you. Let's see what else is in here. Of course, you've got your card. This is the Fire HD8 card getting started guide, and it's all here. You got it. And then inside of here, here's the welcome card, and it tells you all the great stuff you need to know about the HD Fire and all of the stuff that's in it. Sorry, you guys, my lawn people just showed up and came around right beside me, so it's a little loud, but there's the wires that are inside and everything. And so you can see all that you get in the box here. All right, so that's the Fire HD8. I'm gonna be setting this bad boy up and working with it. It's really nice. It's very easy to hand hold it, and it is the HD version, which I love. And so one more last look at the box. So that is it. If you guys love these unboxings we do and you love the information you get from them, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. And then also don't forget to share this, put comments, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it so that we know that you are out there. If you got anything you want us to reveal or talk about or do tutorials on, put it in the comments and we'll reach out and do those later. Thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Bye, guys.